guys, Raging RC here, back with another video, and I was just getting ready to do some repair work on my RC car, and I decided, why not make a video? So today, just a second, I have all the tools prepared. So today, I'm going to be doing some repair work on my Traxxas slash body, because it's in pretty rough condition. And I'll show you here in a second. So I put this new sticker on there. It says I love my pets. My mom just had them laying around. She's a veterinarian, so why not? And we have a few dogs and cats. So anyways, right here, the first culprit. Right there. Right there. So, hard to see with the way I'm holding it. Let me see. Over here. Yeah, it's really hard to see with the way I'm holding it. Right here. I'm gonna stick my whole finger through there. So, up here. Back here, I'm gonna fix it up a little more back there. So, I'm just gonna be using basic electrical tape. See, there's the bottom. I already did some repair work before. So I'm just gonna be using some basic electrical tape because I don't have drywall tape and shoe glue, so I can't use that hack right now. I'm just gonna use electrical tape. I know this is a very simple video, you could have just gone out and used electrical tape. So where is it? Okay, it's right there. We got her. Or where's the other one? So the other one, oh my gosh, it wore away the electrical tape and the paint on the body. So we'll just cut off a little piece here and stick it right on there. You probably want to wash your body off before, but I'm not gonna bother. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, that piece fell off. So, right here. There. Tape that. And if you guys know any other ways I could make my videos a little better, if you want me to talk louder or turn the brightness up, I can do all those things. And I'm recording with my phone because I don't have some fancy high-tech $400 GoPro. I'm not rich. I'm 11 years old. I'm in the 6th grade. So I don't have a boatload of money. I want to get a waterproof camera, not necessarily a GoPro, to put on my car so I can do third person mode. I think have around the edges I can make it look like there's a driver driving it. I think that would be pretty cool. Around here. And then if you have a darker themed body, in a few areas on my body, I have black, so on the outside, I could put some electrical tape around that. And you're gonna probably have to replace it over time, because electrical tape isn't the best tape you could use. And then up here, we have a damage area. Okay, get electrical tape, And if you go into Harbor Freight, whatever, you can get a 10-pack for like a 10-pack of electrical tape for like, it's like $5, but I don't know if they still have that, but I went in there and picked it up because that's a steal for me. Because normally a regular one roll of electrical tape is like $3. So, but why not do that? In the back here, oh, right here, right there. You can't see it on the camera, but there's a big crack. So, and I found a new way to make my intro, but I really like my brand new intro, because my slash, it runs into my phone, tips it over, and it aims it up, so it aims it at the logo. I thought that was a pretty good idea, and I should have did it outside. Oh, this is all dirty. I'm just redoing the whole back of it. Oh, gosh. Wow. Okay, this is terrible. This is terrible. This is going to be a little more repair work than this. Okay, maybe this bottom layer we can keep. Yeah, okay. So, take some electrical tape. Now, you're going to want to make sure the electrical tape is, like, really stuck on there, because if it's not stuck on there, if sand and water get under there, they can just get under there, and then sooner or later it won't be sticky anymore. You don't want that. So there we go. We finally got the body all taped up. It was a long time for me. It was a very short time for you. But in the back here, we got it all taped up. And see, it goes around the side, and it comes up into that strip I got there. So I thought that looked pretty cool. Underneath I found a few more spots that needed repairs. So let's see what the crowd has to think. That's pretty funny. I think I did a pretty good job. On the outside you can still see it. You probably can't see it, but I can. But now there won't be bigger cracks that are being started or anything like that. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and we may get a new Facebook page by next week. In the next 2 weeks, definitely before January, if we can. So yeah, make sure to visit that. I'll leave a link in the description if I do. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.